Hello, everyone. Ivana here with my very good friend Yogesh. And Yogesh is a software developer. He's a really popular internet marketer as well. And he delivers really cool solutions to the market. So, Yogesh, first of all, welcome.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good and great. And yeah, Ivana, tell me, I'm very glad to be in this meeting.
I'm excited to do this interview with you. And I know this is your first one actually with me. So it's really, really cool. And
Yes.
I love your sign, by the way, right behind you, High Performance Leader.
Oh,
It's awesome. It's awesome. Congratulations on that.
thank you so much, Ivana. It's just like one of the awards that I got recently.
Cool, cool. And I think your business is doing well over $1 million in sales, actually, right?
Yes, exactly. That too in just like last 1.5 years.
Nice, nice. I had the pleasure to meet Yogesh actually in Ireland, right? That was the first meetup that we had, if I remember correctly.
Exactly, in
Yeah,
Dublin.
yeah, cool, cool. So tell us, what is it that you are launching right now?
So, we are actually launching a software product. It is an amazing video marketing tool. I'll just put it in this way. It's an amazing video marketing tool, and it actually goes with the current trend. So basically, what everyone needs in this online business, everyone needs traffic, and for a fact that this is a common thing which everyone knows. Videos play a very big part in generating good and very high quality traffic. So recently we are seeing a lot of things like TikTok, Instagram reels, and YouTube shorts, and even Facebook has recently launched something which allows user to put short videos in their stories and all. So it's all about short videos these days, and our software is going to take leverage of that particular stuff, short videos. So now
Okay.
videos is going to give you good traffic, and our software will be helping you to create short videos and then schedule them, and it will keep on posting.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to ask you in a second to demo the software for us, but it's called Traffic 100K. Why is it called that way?
Okay, because you see, when I talked about the short videos, as I gave you in the intro, uh, let's say you're posting a video and you're getting somewhere around 10,000 to 20,000 views. Now just imagine posting, instead of posting one video, you're posting 20 videos. So you can easily get anywhere between 50 to 100K in traffic, in views. So
Nice.
basically you're using the same video, but you're multiplying them, like the views. You're leveraging the same content and you're just posting short videos.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why we named the software as Traffic 100K, where you can use a single video and then it can pull in like 10 times more views and traffic for you when compared to our traditional video. So that is why we kept this app's name as Traffic 100K.
Cool, cool. So let's see how it works. Can you demo it for us?
Okay, let me share my screen and start the demo. So are you able to see the screen, Ivana?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so this is basically our dashboard. Here you can see an overview of our entire system, like how many videos, how many campaigns, how many posts, and how many clients. And these are all the basic stats that we have. So let me quickly go through the software's main sections, and let me quickly show you how this software works and how you can benefit from it. So the first benefit is that you don't even need to have a video. You can use a video which is already posted in YouTube. So you can either create your own video and upload in the system, or else you can use a video which is already available in YouTube, take it, rebrand it completely, and then post it. So let's start. So here I'll go to create campaign. So the first step, I'm gonna give the campaign name, and now I need to select a template style. So we need to have a wrap here, because that is how like each and every video will stand out. So we have a lot of templates inbuilt. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to select a template which works for you and then just edit the video. Okay. So this is our template page. Like we already have like almost like 70 to 80 templates here, and you can select any one of them, whatever you like. So I'll just click on view demo on template number 30. So it will open in a new page. So this is how our wrap is going to look. So what I'll do is I'll just select this template, and the second step is to add a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a video from YouTube itself. So I'll just put something like affiliate marketing. Okay. So I'll be just using this first video, ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. I just need to click on this video. So now the system will automatically download the video and show it to you. Now, second step is to select how many micro videos you want. So this is where our software comes into play. Usually what you will do is you will just post this video and it's going to get 10K or 20K views. But now if you split this video into 10 parts, and if you keep on posting at a particular interval, it's going to increase your engagement, traffic, views as well. So basically you're using the same video and you're getting 10x results. So that's what we are doing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split it into 5. I'll just put a split equally. So now the system will take a bit of time because it has to download the video and it will split into 5 parts. So now here it is. We have split our video into 5 parts. This is part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. Now, here you can add the title, description, and tags of the video. Okay, so in this page, you can see all the videos that are split. Now what we have to do is we have to add a like edit title, description, tags. That is number 1. Second part is like you can actually edit this video. All you need to do is to click on this edit button and it will take you to an editor with your selected wrap already added in. And here you can add a lot of elements, like you can add a text, like see this, you can add text, and you can add a branding or image elements, GIF images, sounds, subtitles. So once you are done with all of those things, I'll just put us. So once you are done with editing, all you have to do is to click on apply or apply to all. Apply will apply the changes only in this video. Apply to all means it will apply the same changes to all the videos, like all the 5 parts. So basically that is all about editing. I'll just click on apply and click on save. I can also save this as a template. So I'll just put as Ivana123. And the another feature is that I can add progress bars in the video itself, so that like it can create more engagement and interactions as well. Like I can have different layers as well. So that is all about editing. Now let's go back. So here now video will be like videos right now it's rendering. So as once we are done editing all the videos, what we can do is we can just directly publish them. So you can either publish in your Instagram account or else you can publish in your Facebook account. So what I'll do is I'll just select a page and then I'll click on schedule. So basically it will schedule as per the timings that is set here. So let's say I want to schedule each and every video like with a gap of 12 hours. So what I have to do is I'll just put as 12 here, and the starting time should be like, I want to set as 2 a.m. and the time should be like from August 9. So basically this will start posting on 9th of August at 2 a.m. So first video will go at that time, second video will go by 2 p.m, third video will go by August 10th 2 a.m. Like this we will be posting 5 videos for continuously like 3 days. and
Okay,
to this Facebook page and Instagram as well.
okay.
All is automated.
Being that these are videos, how would I go about posting them on YouTube? Because currently you have Insta account and Facebook account, but how would I go about posting on YouTube? Because these short videos are really awesome for getting exposure. Right now, YouTube released Shorts, which is really powerful feature to creating these short, under a minute videos, I believe.
So basically in YouTube, it has to be done manually
Mm-hmm.
because of the restrictions set by Google itself. A lot of people been spamming that very much, like too much. So that is why they have disabled all the APIs that is related to uploading videos. So what we have got is Instagram and Facebook as of now, but we will be adding YouTube and like another 3 to 4 networks in the future, like in next 3 to 4 weeks. Many of them are still under approval, and a few of them are under rate limits, which we have appealed to increase the limit. So going forward, we can see a lot of improvements and development in this app.
Okay, one more question.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're downloading someone else's videos. So are we allowed to edit these videos?
Now, basically, YouTube search will give videos only those which are under Creative Commons license.
Good, good. Okay.
Okay, so
Awesome.
but there is a chance where it might give us a video that is not under that particular license. So we always inform the customer. So once you select a video, please go to YouTube and check it once, cross verify it once.
Mhm.
So that is how we circumvent this problem.
Okay, good.
So this is all about the softwares, and let me now tell you about the OTOs that we have.
Mhm.
So basically, we are having 3 OTOs here. First one is the front end, second one is the pro version, third one is point rank, and fourth one is our reseller, that is our OTO 3.
Mhm.
So in front end, basically you get the entire software, but there are few limitations, like you can add only 5 Facebook account, and there is a limitation like you can schedule only 20 videos at once, 5 Facebook and Instagram accounts, and only 20 templates. And you don't have feature to auto generate subtitles, as well as saving a video as a template, plus the commercial rights, that is the agency rights, where you can sell this as a service. And yeah, pretty much they are exactly same, but in OTO 1 you get completely unlimited stuff, like unlimited campaigns, and we can schedule up to 100 campaigns a month, which is the maximum limit. And we can add up to 10 Facebook and 10 Instagram account. And as a special bonus, special giveaway just for your customers, we are going to increase the limit from 10 to 20. So 20 Facebook accounts and 20 Instagram accounts only for your subscribers.
Awesome. Thank you.
And that's all about professional version. And let's talk about point rank. Point rank is like, it's one of our flagship software that basically creates live streaming events, which ranks pretty well in Google. So this software helps you to create live stream events, which ranks almost like 100 times faster than anything else. So if you have the right keywords, right tags, you can rank in top of Google in no time. So we have comprehensive guide and videos demonstrating all those things. So that is what we are selling at OTO 2. And in OTO 3, we are selling a reseller version. So where user will get access and he can sell the front end version. So we have 2 price point, like 197 and 297. In 197, we are giving around 100 licenses of front end version. And in 297, we are giving almost like 250 licenses of front end version. So along with the license, we are also giving them all the sales material, a complete backend panel. So they don't have to depend on anyone else for the payment, just like instead of like traditional way where you have to apply affiliate link, get the payment done, and you have to wait for 30 days for the payment. So these all are not here. You just get the sales material, you name your price, you sell it, you add the customer, and you get the money instantly. and we handle all the support from our end. So it's basically a win-to-win situation, like win-to-win relationship here. So that is what we are doing in reseller. So this is all about the software and the OTOs.
Okay, great. Awesome. And I have one more question, which is, when are you launching and when does the launch closes?
So we are launching on August 7th, 10 a.m. EST, and the launch closes by August 12, midnight.
Okay, cool. And what will be the price of the software once the launch ends?
So once the launch ends, it's gonna be in recurring. That will be $47 a month. But just for the launch duration, we are keeping it a one-time price of $27.
Okay,
17
cool.
and $27. That's it.
Cool, cool. Well, I love the software and I love what it does. I've been doing a lot of research on TikTok and on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts, and I know this is a powerful way to upload these videos, get the views, and then people check out your profiles, and that is how you end up getting traffic to your own pages as well. So it's really, really cool. And with YouTube Shorts, just for everyone who is watching, it's really a powerful way to actually up your subscribers. I'm setting up the system of how I want my videos to show up. So it's every week, this very similar branding type of thing, but definitely powerful way to get your subscribers numbers up. And I'm seeing a lot of people who already have like 200,000, 300,000 people who follow them. They are doing a lot of shorts. So definitely a cool tip there. The second thing is that once you click on the link right below this video, you will also see a lot of bonuses that we have prepared for you that come and go a nice way with this software. So definitely check those out. And thank you so much, Yogesh, for doing this interview with me. I really appreciate it, and demoing the software. And I look forward to seeing your success on this one.
Yeah, sure. And thank you so much for inviting me for this special interview for your subscribers only. And guys, remember that if you get from Ivana, you get some additional and special bonuses, as I have mentioned in the video. So all the instruction will be given by Ivana. So bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.